You're making Mr. Ray? What are you painting? Liam. That's color. What color is that? Blue? You got blue? Mm-hmm.
That's pink.
That's, yeah, that's a paintbrush. It's a paintbrush. That's red. Red. And then orange. But you're using red right now. Okay. Are you going to put that on the paper? Oops. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Cool. What are you painting? Liam, ano yan? What are you painting? Anong pinipinta ni Liam? Who is it?
Nemo!
It's Nemo! Wow! That's the color of Nemo. Exactly right. That is Nemo. That's a beautiful Nemo. I love Nemo. Add some more water lemon color too. Good job.
More Nemo.
More Nemo. Put some more color here.
More Nemo. Making more Nemo.
You're making more Nemo? Okay, you can have some more Nemo.
More Nemo.
Good job. Oh, I love that. Put
More Nemo.
Put some color in your brush.
More Nemo.
Mm-hmm.
More Nemo.
Okay, more Nemo. Okay, Liam. Hey, mister, what are you doing? Are we making music now? Dum dee dee dum dee dee dum dum dum. Dum dee dee dum dee dee dum dum dum. Dum dee dee dum dee dee dum dum dum. Dum dee dee dum dee dee dum dum dum. You want another paper? Mommy will get another paper, okay?